Hey guys, welcome to my Redstone tutorial video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a TNT player launcher. Now, it's not that useful, but it's pretty cool. Now you're gonna need 24 pieces of dispensers, one button, 9 pieces of obsidian, one oak fence, 4 water buckets, um, 4 pieces of slabs, and finally 15 pieces of redstone. Starting off, make a platform of 9 by 9 obsidian, just like that, and place your 24 dispensers like this, facing inwards. Place your 4 water buckets like this. Place your oak fence like this. Place your 4 slabs like this. Just like that. And place your 15 pieces of redstone like this. And lastly, place one button in top of the dispenser, just like that. Now you're pretty much done, and let's test it out as always. Sorry if I can't fast this forward, I don't really know the basics. Basic. Okay, let's fire. So yeah, it shoots really far, and air, and we're slowly back to the ground. Oh, great. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please sure to hit that like button. And if you want to see me do one more of these, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.